Hello guys, view table at Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, LTE version, 64GB internal memory, 4GB RAM memory. Okay, look, compactation. In compactation we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable and stylus. Okay. Device made of metal. On the back side, camera. On the front side, display 12.4 inch. Upside, power key, volume keys. Downside, connector for dock station. And this side, speaker. First speaker and second speaker, Type-C port on this side. Okay. Full HD display, Full HD Plus display resolution, Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, Adreno 618 this GPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon 750 this GPU, 6+2 cores, and look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, close this, open Antutu benchmark, look results. Antutu benchmark results, close this and open the modded game. GTA San Andreas doesn't work, okay. Open the modded game Real Racing 3. Real Racing perfect walk, without lags and glitches, very good. Okay, close this and open camera. I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.